Nanababo kabalen, kumusta kayo po? Ako'y Louis Season.
Mark Kunanan, yung We're in Pampanga.
Guys, matula kami ngayon ng dongay ni kasi itong yung establishment na feature tamo ngayon ni making successful niya dahil kay milk tea ang pong
Chicken wings.
chicken wings. Guys, at the end of the video, if you're interested to do business with them, we're gonna be providing the information. But for now, while we are waiting for our unlimited wings and milk tea, let me show you some footages we did earlier.
So, tara! Let's go!
Tapin guys, na apin iniing Teakaboo ang pong Teakawings na located dyan kaning along MacArthur Highway sa Nagustin. Pero yung pinaka-landmark na guys, malapit siya itong Vista Mall, Sam's Building I think. So ining karelang main dining area. Siguro estimate it can accommodate around 20 persons at any given time na. And to serve that in kayo, sabi mo ketang introduction tamo. Atin lang unlimited wings, atin lang mo naman unlimited rice. Of course, itang milk tea. Ngayon, nung you're not that person na talagang makipagsabayan kayong unlimited na. Tila mo naman palang a la carte. So, we're gonna be giving you informations. Kabahan niyo kami po. Alright, so the table is ready. Let's get it on! Alright, kabalen, minsan pa salamat for being with us in this vlog with me, Sir Paul. Yang mika pa kanaking Teakaboo ang pong Teakawings. I may distinguish, are those two different brands? Tell us more about it, sir.
Yeah, it's a different brand.
Okay.
The other one is just milk tea, Teakaboo.
Okay.
And the Teakawings, it has food.
Okay.
Which is actually wings.
Okay.
We offer only wings and only rice.
Wow. So how did it start?
This year, early this year, so we introduced a milk tea came from Taiwan. So the mixture, the formula, the ingredient is actually all from Taiwan.
Okay.
So we launched Teakaboo as a brand. However, sa sobrang dami ng milk tea,
Yep.
right now they're looking for something to eat. Gusto nila na may kinakain.
Yeah.
No?
Yeah.
So gusto nila may ninanap-nap. Ang
Ninanap-nap.
Kapampangan, mahilig magnap-nap.
Tutuyin tasoy. Ha? Comment below nung tutuyin sinabi ng Sir Paul. Mahilig tayo nung magnap-nap.
Well, ngayon we thought of a certain brand that na pwede nating i-introduce yung food na may kinakain sila.
Yes.
Well, they're drinking their favorite milk tea.
Yes.
So we thought of wings. So Teakawings started last August.
Just this year, 2019.
2019 as well.
Okay.
So Teakaboo started in Feb and Teakawings started in August.
There you go.
They can eat, they can have only wings and
Yeah.
rice. Soon we will be introducing other food. We will be introducing only pasta, only sausage, pizza, burger.
All of those are unlimited.
Yeah.
Wow. So can't wait. Siguro guys, yung takman-tapa mo, how it all started. So, syempre, mag-start lang kayong milk tea as well as din karelang only wings.
Right now we have 5 flavors.
Okay.
So we have 2 spicy and we have 3 non-spicy.
Okay.
So the spicy is the buffalo. This is the best seller ng Teakawings. Well, it's a chili garlic. Plus, you can extend how spicy you want it to be. Gusto mong maanghang, mid-anghang, or less anghang. So it's up to you. The other 3 flavors is the soy garlic, buttered garlic parmesan, and honey mustard.
Wow. So, actually, first time tamo talagang takman din karelang kay Kenny. And I've interviewed balam couple na retong mamanga nandin. And siguro, adben niya pa yung video ni bakit din balik-balikan yung Teakaboo ang pong Teakawings.
Second time.
Second time. When was the first?
A month ago siguro.
A month ago. Kap na ako sir, may balik kayo.
Actually sir, pipigilan mo talaga bumalik.
Tama-sarap.
Unang sabi ko, may napigilan namin sa pinora yung chicken wings doon.
Tagano ka rin kayo sir?
Taga-sindalan kami po sir.
Okay. Talagang pindalan niya pala. Yes.
Yahoo soy garlic.
Hindi ka mama.
Ano ba? Lahat eh.
Masarap lahat.
Masarap lahat.
Okay, so of course the fun part for the video and vlog is of course taste testing, di ba?
Yeah, you taste first the
Sure.
buffalo. This one.
Oh, okay. Let's talk about the price. For the unlimited, it's
269 is only chicken wings and only rice. And 319 is only chicken wings, only rice, plus 1 regular classic milk tea.
plus 1 classic milk tea.
Yes.
So siguro, if you can sum up that, parang nakatipid siya ng around 60 pesos. And then, ganun pala Kenny guys, you eat it like a Budol Fight style.
Good of that.
For example, ayaw nilang ganito, plated and is it available?
We have a la carte. So we have the pack 99. It's 4 pieces wings with rice.
Pack 99.
Usually ito yung mga pack sa mga estudyante.
Yes.
So
Yes.
iba, 2 pieces wings, 3 pieces wings. Siyempre, gusto ng Kapampangan, medyo
Salipo.
marami.
Salipo. Wow.
So we made it 4 pieces plus rice.
Yeah.
Tapos the pack 139. So they can eat 8 pieces wings. And they can have 2 flavors or 3 flavors on it. In the pack 125, so we have 6 pieces wings. In the pack 149, 6 pieces wings with fries.
So those are your a la carte?
Yes.
Anyway, first bite ko na din guys, it's really amazing. Super malasa yun.
You better try the sauce, the garlic yogurt sauce.
You dip it.
How was it?
Actually, I like garlic. So talagang evident yung garlic flavor nito. Pero itabi na, first try kay Pamoy, this is their buffalo wings. Super masarap. Super masarap.
Think about our best seller is the caramel cream puff, the one.
Caramel cream puff. So how much is this one?
It's 125 for the
125.
large and 115 for the regular.
Okay.
One good thing about the Teakaboo milk
Sure.
tea is, you know, the cream puff in itself has flavor. So if you're going to buy matcha,
Yeah?
the cream puff is matcha.
Really?
Yes.
So how many flavors do you have? Yung mga ganun?
We have around 15 flavors.
Really?
So the caramel cream puff, the cream puff of caramel cream puff is caramel, salted caramel.
flavor. Ah. Wow. Kaya pin, ternong-terno yapin na. Mga tamo pa guys. And then, I think, itang soy garlic nyo kanya yun, sir.
Soy garlic is this one.
Oh wow. It's really hot from the stove. Yeah? Talagang fresh chicken wings as you can, you know, enjoy it. How they can do business with you.
Yeah, Teakaboo and Teakawings are open for franchising. So one good thing about the Teakaboo and Teakawings franchise is we don't have any royalty fee.
Okay?
So we have loyalty fee.
Loyalty fee.
Yes, we give payment to the franchisee by franchising the brands from us.
Nagbabayad pa kayo sa kanila?
Correct.
Really?
We're going to give them discounts as a loyalty because if you're loyal to me, bayaran kita.
Yeah?
Diba?
Really?
Well, another good thing about the Teakaboo and Teakawings, it's the, you know, we never stop from changing.
So parang constant development pa rin yung
Yes.
mga
Just like what we did.
products natin. Yeah.
In this year, we launched 2 brands. So next year, we're gonna launch several brands.
Wow. Wow. So for more information, sir, how can they contact you?
They can go onto our page, Teakaboo Milk Tea Station, or they can call me or text me, 0917
There you go.
3969 876.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, so guys, we're gonna continue our food today, na. Of course, we're gonna be eating with Sir Paul. Thanks so much po
Yeah,
for inviting us. Guys, if you have any inquiries, leave them at the comment section. If you want to do business with them, again, leave them at the comment section or you can contact Sir Paul. This specific branch is located
Sa Cer-Hill,
it's along MacArthur Highway, no?
MacArthur Highway,
Sana gusto
in
niyo po
front
ito.
of Ventorillo Cold Storage.
Yes. And then this is open from...
Open from 10 a.m. to 11 p.m. Monday and Sunday.
Alright. So again guys, thanks so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Again, we're gonna continue eating dito until our next discovery. Peace out. Bye!